you've ever said, I'll check my phone for 5 minutes and suddenly it's dark outside, you are not alone. Today, we are talking about how to stop mindless scrolling and actually get stuff done during the day. Let's reclaim your time and your life. Let's be honest, our phones are designed to be addictive. Social media, endless videos, notifications, they hijack our brain's reward system. Here's the hard truth. The average person spends over 3 hours a day on their phone. That's nearly 45 days a year. Imagine what you could do with that time. Learn a skill, start a business, get in shape, finally finish that book. But don't worry, we aren't getting rid of your phone, but rather getting smart with it. Step 1 is to time block your day. This is a game changer. It is simply assigning tasks to chunks of your time throughout the day, just like back in school where you know what to do at any particular time when a bell goes off. From 9 to 11, deep work. From 11 to 11:30, break, stretch or check your phone intentionally. The key here is to be intentional. If you want 15 minutes to scroll, that's cool. Just make sure to schedule it. This makes you self-aware and you know exactly how you spend your day. Step 2 is to create a phone-free zone. Designate specific areas as phone-free zones, especially places where you need to be productive and get things done, like your workplace. You don't need to be unreachable. Just make it harder to scroll. Use airplane mode. Keep your phone in a drawer, out of sight, out of mind. This will help you focus on what you are doing and allow you to identify things that you could actually improve. Step 3 is to use app blockers. Use the tools your phone already has. Set up focus mode, do not disturb, or download an app blocker. These tools are available on your phone because phone makers know that your phone can be distracting and addictive. Step 4 is to replace scrolling with real rewards. Here's a psychological trick. Don't just stop scrolling. Replace it. Whenever you feel the urge to scroll, ask yourself, what am I avoiding? Then replace that urge with something rewarding. Take a walk, read a book, speak to someone around you, make something with your hands. The goal isn't discipline, it's dopamine replacement. Feed your brain better snacks. Now, how do you make this stick? Just start small. One phone-free hour a day, one scheduled scroll session, one real-world replacement activity. Habits aren't built overnight, but each time you resist scrolling, you are rewiring your brain. Stick with it for a week, then 2, then a month. You'll be shocked at how much calmer and clearer your mind feels. Your phone isn't the enemy, it's just a tool, and like any tool, you decide how to use it.